about to pull all of my leeks out of this bed because I need to get this bed prepped and ready for my fall garden. So, leeks, I'm going to pull you out regardless if you're big or small. And sorry, you guys, if you hear the AC running, because like they say, whenever you're about to make a video, that thing always kicks in. So I'm going to pull out these leeks out of this garden. I've got my gloves and I have my harvesting basket right here. And it is such a beautiful day out here. This is a good day to be outside. So I'm going to try to do a little bit of work today and see how far I can get. So let's pull out this first leek and see. Now some of these leeks are going to be like small, but you know what? That's good with me. I'm just going to take them out and pull them and chop them up and put them in Ziploc bags. So when I need them, I'll already have them. So let's get to pulling. See, some are small, but that's okay. I found a trick that I'm going to use next year when I do my leeks, for sure. Here. One thing about leeks, they do have big root systems. So if you never ever grew leeks before, this is what the root system looks like. I should have my gloves on, but as you can see, my gloves are over here in my basket. But these aren't too bad, so I can just pop these out real quick. And like I said, I'm just going to chop these up, put them in a Ziploc bag, and get them all done. So that's what my leeks are looking like now. So let me finish harvesting them, and then I'll come back and let you see the finished product. Guys, I have harvested all my leeks, and as you can see, I was able to get some really nice sized leeks right here. So I am going to cut the tops off, cut the roots off, wash them up, and then I am going to chop them and put them in a Ziploc bag. And these are the leeks that were not as big, but hey, I am not complaining. I will take what I can get. So this is my leek harvest for the season. Next year, I have learned, excuse me, I'm just getting over a cold. Next year, I learned that when you buy the leeks, they're like really, really small baby leeks like this when you buy them. And they said, you know, where the white part is, you're supposed to, I'm going to dig a hole and I'm going to bury it to the top of the green. Because they said if you bury the white part as deep as you can, that part will expand and get bigger. It'll be twice the size of this one. So I'm going to try that next year and only have this part sticking up out of the ground. The white part will be deep in the dirt so it can grow and get thicker and get bulkier. So that's my mission for next year. So I'm documenting it for this year so I can see what this year leek looked like, and then I will compare it with my harvest for next season and see if there is a difference from just digging it deeper and putting the white part deeper in the dirt. Alright guys, I'll come back when I have them all washed up and ready to get to chopping. Alright guys, hang tough. Guys, so I have cleaned and all my leeks, and I put them in a bowl with some water and some salt, because one thing about leeks is that you need to let them sit. I let mine sit overnight, so all the sand and the dirt, and because leeks seem to absorb all the dirt and stuff. So when you cut it, you may find like little dirt particles in these layers of leeks, especially at the bottom, because at the bottom I cut them off, all the roots and stuff. So I just let them sit overnight, and then I give them a good wash, 2-3 washes, and then I chop them up, put them in my Ziploc bags. And while I was out there, I found a green bean, some jalapeno peppers. I found 2 Malaysia peppers that I took off the plant and let them ripen inside, because you know I don't want the raccoon to get them, so I brought them inside the house. Alright guys, so I just wanted to let you know that this is what my leeks are looking like. They're looking good. I'm very pleased with them. Like next year I will be growing double the amount of leeks that I grew this year, because I cook with a lot of onions. So alright, and I want to try this leek and potato soup that I hear so much about. So if I find a good recipe, I'll make an episode of Cooking in the Kitchen with Renee, making leek potato soup. Alright guys, I just want to let you guys see what a beautiful day I had today with my leeks, Malaysia peppers, and my jalapeno peppers. Alright guys, take care.